Hello students, welcome to our video called Distributing Expressions. And there's only one bullet point here I want to look at. Distributing is the opposite of factoring. Let me say that again. Distributing is the opposite of factoring. So we already learned how to factor. Now we're going to learn its opposite operation. So let's just get into it here with example 1. It says, use the distributive property to write equivalent expressions in expanded form. Okay, so number 1, we're taking 3 times the quantity of x plus 4. So when you have the 3 sitting in front of these parentheses here, that means the same thing as 3 times x plus 4. So we don't write the time sign, but it is there. It's like imaginary, but it is there. So because the x plus 4 is in parentheses, we must multiply this 3 to each part of the parentheses. So it'll look like this. First, we'll multiply the 3 to the x. So that will be like 3 times x. Then we'll bring the plus sign down. And then we'll multiply the 3 times 4. Once we do that multiplication, we'll write our final answer as 3x plus 12. Again, the 3, when you have a number in front of a letter, we are to assume it's multiplication even though we don't write the multiplication symbol. So this would be our answer. And it's as simple as that. Now, whether or not you write this step is up to you. If you can go right from the original problem to the final answer in one step, I'm fine with that. Okay, let's go to number 2. Here we have, and listen to the way I'm reading this, 6 times the quantity, because it's in parentheses. A parentheses indicates you have a quantity of things. 6 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. Okay, so we're going to take the 6 to everything inside. So 6 times 2x, can you do that in your head? 6 times 2x would be 12x. Bring the plus sign right down. 6 times 3 would be 18, and that would be our final answer. And we'll just keep moving down the page. Number 3. 2 times the quantity, 9g minus 7. So 2 times 9g would be 18g. Bring the minus down. 2 times 7, 14. Final answer. Number 4. 4 times the quantity of 2m plus 8n. Okay, so first we'll take 4 times 2m, which would be 8m, plus 4 times 8n would be 32n. 2 to go on this page. Number 5, 9 times the quantity of 5x minus 2. So 9 times 5x, 45x minus 9 times 2, 18. And last but not least, 5 times the quantity of 3x plus 8y. That's going to give us 15x plus 5 times 8y, 40y. Okay, I think you get the idea of how to distribute. Now, one last thing on this video. Back to what I originally said. Distributing is the opposite of factoring. I want to show you why. So let's just use this guy right here, number 5. Okay, so if you just distributed, If I had started you off with 45x minus 18 and said factor, you would have been like, okay, I need a greatest common factor or a GCF. What's the biggest number I can divide both a 45 and an 18 by? What is the biggest number I can divide both a 45 and an 18 by? And I hope you're thinking it's 9. So I place my 9 under each term. Now the final answer, the GCF comes to the front. You open up the parentheses, you put the leftovers inside. So now we do the math. So 45x divided by 9, well, 45 divided by 9 is 5x. Bring down the minus sign. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now look at that and look at the original problem. So you factor to get here, but you distribute to get back to the beginning. So they're in a loop. So you factor to here and you distribute to there. They are opposites. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with your practice and happy trails to you.